touching the right side of target. And please stop, try to, then you go fast one. Try to stop here like end of the practice. Let's go. And now when you stop, this is Bushido. Okay, touch the right side. And one inch shoulder. Same natural position. No. Natural position. Then touch the right side. Right side. Not this way. Remember? Natural position. Okay, it means you are too fast.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Very nice. Okay, stay still. Hey. Thank you.